What's up guys, it's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we are going to talk about single leg RDLs with a row, okay? So for this setup, this is a more advanced movement, really focuses on stabilization of the ankle and the knee, good hamstring engagement, good lat engagement, and then just overall body control. So what we're gonna do, pick up a dumbbell. If this is your first time doing the movement, start much lighter than you think you should, okay? So I always say start with a 5, 10, 15-pound dumbbell, no matter how advanced of a lifter you are. From here, I'm gonna start that dumbbell on my right side. I'm gonna stabilize using my left foot first. So I'm gonna bring my right foot back, and I'm almost gonna start in this flamingo stance, okay? So my knees are still relatively close, they're parallel to each other, foot back. I am now going to kick my right foot back as I let my chest fall down. I have a slight bend in that front leg, but notice that my shin is still vertical. Once I get to this stability position where I feel tension in my hip, my ankle is pretty locked in, I am then going to row that dumbbell into my right hip pocket, force that lat to contract, full extension with that dumbbell before I then press through my front foot to come back up into this flamingo position, okay? So one more time, if I'm on that right side, I am bringing that right leg up, flamingo position, kick the back heel back, bring that chest down parallel to the ground, find that stability, row into that right hip, full extension, and then bring that back foot forward, knee to knee, okay? If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.